Everybody, it's me here. Today I'm going to be playing Roblox High School. I dressed myself as a noob. Oh look. I'm not sure if I can still be a noob. Wait, I want to ask people. Hi. Okay, well, okay. I'm just gonna follow her. Hi. Hello. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna say sorry. I was just saying. Sorry, I was just saying. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Okay, so this girl keeps on saying LOL in the chat. It's really annoying. As a girl, right? Okay, let's go to math. Okay, so I'll be the teacher for today. Okay. I wish I could go on my new character right now, but I can't. Hi, bestie! Wait, what does our math thing even say? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go, do, okay, so I'm gonna just join another server, so see you guys when I get there. Okay, I just joined the, new server. There's another principal, so I'm not sure if he or she has the principal's powers. So, principal. Okay, so the other person doesn't have principal's powers. What's his powers? Okay. Okay, submit. Okay. Hello, say hello. Okay. So I'm gonna just go. I'm just like a little lonely girl trying to make friends. Hi. Hi. Okay, well, I don't think this girl's responsive. Okay, well, I'm trying to find a person that's gonna be mean to me, so, let's just keep searching. Okay, so we have that girl. Okay, we'll do, Elizabeth. Hi. Okay, well, she just left, okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna say hi to Ava. Okay, hi. Okay. Okay, no, because that would be like, no. Okay, no, almost all the girls I said hi to, it's like kind of right. Okay, so she thinks I'm like doing something like weird. Cause she probably looked. Well, I'm doing a social experiment, not trolling. Okay, so this random boy comes up to Ava. Hi! Knew it. Hi. Well, I'm gonna go play Bloxburg, everyone. So I'll see you there when I get there. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to my roleplay game. Select plot. I'm actually a premium, which will be bad because okay, I'll just say I'm a premium because I just got Robux today. Actually that would be a good excuse because like um because like they might think that I bought Robux and stuff. Okay, so let me just go take a quick shower real quick. Take a nice little shower. So my hygiene's going up, which is good. And I might do a Sims 4 gameplay, maybe because this is reminding me of The Sims. So yeah, I am currently getting my hygiene up. Okay. Okay, so okay. So I'll just wait for it to go up. Okay, so 100%. Now we're gonna go in this bedroom. This is my little brother's room, and my BFF's little brother's room. They share a room. Okay, I want my energy to go up. Come on, go up. Okay. So I'll be right back when all my moods are up. Guys, so I am done. So now I'm going to go see some people and see if, cause it's really easy. Well, it's easy for people to make fun of you on here because I don't know, but I'm gonna go find some people. I don't want to do them, but they might be like super duper rude. I'll just say hi, I guess. Hi. Hi. I'm scared. Oh my god. Hi. Hi. Sometimes it's really hard to find some people because these two people flirting. Okay, well I'm gonna say hi to her. Hi. Oh dear, I'm scared. She just turned to me like, boom. hi, and then she's probably gonna be like, hi, dot, dot, I'm not sure. Hello. I'm just saying hi to everyone in the game. And then I left. Okay, so we're gonna knock on this person's door and see if we're here. Oh, okay, that's one nice long house. Okay, this person has. Okay, I'm gonna just knock politely. And just knock one more time. I'm not sure if they're there, but I'm just gonna leave. Oh, this is a nice rainbow house. This is pretty. They should know that the roof is kind of glitching because they probably added a lot of roofs. Hey, whose house is this? Okay, so the girl's not here because she's with her mom. So I'm probably gonna have to go to the other side, or maybe go to the house right next to my house. Um. Okay, sorry, I'm just doing something. Probably knock on that house. Maybe I'm not sure if they're in there, but okay, well they're not in there. So I'm gonna just keep on going. So here's my house. Okay, so there's this person's house right here. So I'm gonna just go in, or not go in, but like knock on her door. Not sure if they're in there, but I'll just knock. I don't know why I'm stupid, but will that door just open? Okay, I got so scared because I thought that door was open. Okay, okay. Sadly, I don't have a car, so yeah. But I'm sorry, this was probably really short to you, but I'm gonna go for a bit because I just wanna do stuff. I don't have to do like any like chores or whatever. I might post like later, like maybe in like 10 minutes or something like that. Not sure because it takes really long for a video to load. But I'll see you guys later. So bye guys.